everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie. I moved back to the bedroom. I'm gonna do an unboxing here on the bed because it's the only way I can get Charlie to come near me when I have this camera on. There's BB. Come on, puppy. She says no. Okay, well, I got some China mail, and it's my Rooster diamond painting. They put a little picture of it on the label. I probably just showed you my address. That's all right. You want to come all this way? I'll invite you in and we can diamond paint together. Just joking. I live in the middle of nowhere. You don't want to come here. Okay, this is all wrapped up nice in this bubble tube. Nice packing. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get into it. Oh, here, I'll cut the tape. That'll work. It looks like it got folded flat a little bit. That's okay. Just another one to put on the pile in my closet. Someday I'll finish my whip, my current project. Yeah, there's the Rooster, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's loose drills in this bag. That always makes me nervous. All right, let's move the scissors. BB girl, are you guarding me? Making sure nobody comes in. That's some pretty good sized creases. If they don't roll it around a foam core, that tends to happen. Okay, this is a 40 by 40. Oh, I think the glue's gonna be difficult. The first time I got one where the glue didn't stay down on the picture, it peeled up with the paper. Oh, I was so upset. I thought, surely this can't be fixed. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna file a claim and I'm gonna do this and that. I went on to one of the Facebook groups and they're like, yeah, you just rub it. Press it down, rub it, try it again. I felt silly. But when you're new, you gotta ask these questions. No one should make you feel silly or dumb because you have a question. It's amazing how this craft is still so new. And then you do one like cross stitch where it's established, you know. You do things a certain way. There's not a lot of variation. This craft is so new and it's not standardized, and there's a million different options that it really is hard to know what to do when you're starting out. You know, someone gave me great advice. She said, go on Amazon, buy the cheapest one you can get, and just try it out. Don't spend money. You know, so I think I got a penny diamond painting with $4.99 shipping. So the whole thing cost me $5. And there's not a lot of crafts that you can do and have everything you need for $5. There just isn't. Okay, so here's the Rooster. It says something behind it, I think, but I don't know that I can read it. This is a 40 by 40 full drill square. The symbols are very clear. There's a lot of different colors. Not as many as some, but still, it's a lot. It's a good amount. Let's see, there's, how many colors are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, about 25, I'd say. Let me get this stuck down nice. I will keep this laying flat and hopefully these creases will come out. I took a good look at my stash the other day, and most of them, the creases really are coming out nice. Looks like a nice toolkit. There's a green boat with a spout, tweezers, a big chunk of wax, a single pen with a 6 tip, and a rogue drill in there. Alright, let's open this up. We got an inventory sheet, which is always nice. Some people keep every inventory sheet in a binder. I just want to have fun with my craft. I don't have to keep a record of everything, of what I paid, and you know, I worked for so many years in offices where I had to keep a record of every little thing. I just don't want to. I just want to enjoy my diamond painting. Oh, here's the sheet. Oh, some drills. Here's the sheet with some bags. I'm trying to be careful because there's drills everywhere. I wonder what's leaking. I will get out my little ladybug vacuum and scoop them all up. This is a very dark diamond painting. I don't see any bright colors at all. I see a lot of black, gray, brown, more gray, dark gray, light gray, medium gray, stone gray, concrete gray. So I'm interested. This will be interesting to see, you know, when I finally do it, how it holds my interest. Okay, I think I got all the loose drills off. I'm gonna find these for days. I know it. Yeah, there's, I'll put the image up so you can see, but you can see like down by the feet and behind its back, there's all this little scripty writing. And I think in the 40 by 40 size, it's not gonna come out. It's gonna come out as like little squiggles. So that makes me wonder if I had gone a lot bigger, if I'd be able to see them. If anybody's done this one in a much bigger size, bigger than 40 by 40, let us know if it came out, if you can see that writing. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do a little inventory here, zip through. Okay, all finished with the inventory. I'm gonna use my little ladybug vacuum and pick up all these drills. See how nice that works? This has come in so handy because picking them up one by one is not fun. I did have some problems. I had 2 bags that were ripped, and that made all these drills, 2 different colors. I'm missing 3 bags of a color. My 310 bags, I'm not even going to show you because it's gross, but there is a long black hair shrink wrapped into the bags. Like that just grosses me out. I'm not even going to want to touch that. Another color, I was missing 2 bags. One of these bags that was ripped, I'm only supposed to have 2 bags, but they gave me 3, and the third one was the one that was ripped, and it was pretty much empty. So those are all the dark drills that are all over the place. Well, if you know it's ripped, why put it in there just to make a mess? That's just gonna bite you in the ass in the end. I mean, that's annoying, especially if they obviously knew that it was ripped because they put in that third ripped bag. And that's it. Everything else is there. So this one, I'm a little leery of it. I like the design. It's fun. It's cute. I don't think those words are going to come out. It's just going to look like squiggles on there. But we'll see. Whoever packed this kit was not very responsible or dedicated to their work. You know, I've worked a lot of jobs, and even the small ones that didn't seem very important, I took very seriously, and I always did my work as best as I could, even when I didn't agree with what was being done. So I don't have a lot of patience for people who are lazy or inattentive. You know, that doesn't make me happy. And it doesn't take much to make me happy. So I'm gonna put this all away, and thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Everybody's been so wonderful and so supportive, and I'm having fun with this horrible addiction of mine. I'm not addicted to diamond painting so much as I am addicted to collecting diamond paintings. I love them, and I really do hope friends and family come to visit me soon so that I can share with them. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe so you're notified when my new ones come out, and come join us on Facebook. We're having some fun. That's all. Take care. Have a great day.